It's coming. The end of the world. A notion that has lingered on the edge of our collective consciousness for generations. Some brush it off as mere fiction, while others find themselves grappling with its impending reality. In this uncertain time, we encourage those who do believe that the end is coming to find solace, purpose, and joy in the present. In a realm where skepticism reigns, a few dare to embrace an unconventional belief, the impending apocalypse. Amid life's intricate tapestry, pondering Earth's demise evokes disquiet and introspection. Yet, within this paradox lies the allure of contemplation. The notion challenges conventional wisdom, urging us to grapple with uncomfortable truths. The prospect of an ultimate end forces us to evaluate existence's purpose and meaning. Amidst uncertainty, we uncover an unexpected gift, the impetus to cherish fleeting moments. Like fragile blossoms, these instants of joy, connection, and growth take on profound significance when contrasted with the abyss of eternity. Amidst skepticism, believers offer an unexpected lesson. By acknowledging life's impermanence, they illuminate the path to a more enriched existence. Even as we question their perspective, we can adopt their insight. To embrace transience is to embrace life itself. Through this, we find solace in the finite, and meaning in the fleeting. For those ensnared by belief, the journey ahead unfolds uniquely. As believers of imminent catastrophe, the key lies in optimizing the time remaining. Rather than succumbing to the enigma of what lies ahead, channel energies into savoring the present. Eclipsing futile preoccupation with an uncertain horizon, the path lies in relishing life's offerings today. Embrace experiences, forge connections, and cultivate personal growth. Amidst the urgency of an impending end, the present moment becomes a canvas for creating lasting memories. The believer's perspective, though controversial, accentuates an essential truth: existence's impermanence magnifies the significance of each passing second. By internalizing this, their unusual outlook offers an invitation to engage with life passionately and profoundly. In essence, whether skeptic or believer, the counsel holds: grasp the ephemeral beauty of now, for it's through this embrace that life's true essence is captured. Thus, belief prompts all to recalibrate their focus, illuminating the brilliance of today against the uncertainty of tomorrow. Begin your odyssey by weaving threads of joy within your family tapestry. Fortify the connections that bind you, nurturing them into unbreakable bonds. Engage in shared laughter that reverberates with the resonance of belonging. Revisit cherished moments, allowing nostalgia to guide you through shared stories. Yet, do not linger solely in the past. Craft novel memories that will etch themselves onto the hearts of your beloved. As time dwindles, it's amidst family that we discover solace and validation. Their embrace becomes a sanctuary where worries dissolve, and love finds its fullest expression. Be it through intimate conversations or uproarious celebrations, the key lies in the communion of hearts and minds. In these bonds, the believer's lesson echoes resoundingly: the fragility of existence underscores the necessity of cherishing each instant. By committing to these familial connections, their unconventional belief imparts an unwavering truth: in the grand tapestry of existence, it's the threads of kinship that bear the most vibrant hues. Partake in endeavors that kindle your soul's delight. Whether it's the euphoria of playing a beloved sport or the enchantment of diving into a creative pursuit, these moments resonate with the symphony of life's simple joys. Amid the turmoil of beliefs, engaging in such activities is a testament to the profound wisdom that transcends skepticism. Each stroke of a brush, each swing of a racket, embodies a celebration of existence. The reverberations of mirth and fulfillment guide us back to the core of what it means to be alive. In these experiences, the believer's lesson resounds: as the sands of time trickle, embracing happiness becomes a profound act of defiance. It's a whisper against the darkness, a declaration that, even in the face of uncertainty, we can grasp life's radiant fragments and string them into our own masterpiece of contentment. Recall those projects that have lingered in the shadows of procrastination. Now, amidst the believer's perspective, seize the moment to bring them to fruition. In their completion, lies a wellspring of gratification and a chapter of closure. The believer's vantage point, though unconventional, lends insight into the mechanics of fulfillment. Conquering tasks long deferred isn't merely an exercise in productivity, it's a declaration of autonomy over time. By casting aside hesitation and doubt, we claim agency over the hours that remain. In these achievements, the believer's message is poignant: the grandeur of existence is woven not just in monumental moments, but also in the minutiae of everyday triumphs. With each endeavor crossed off the list, we etch a mark of significance against the backdrop of eternity, reminding us that we are architects of our own temporal narratives. In the shadow of an imminent conclusion, shedding the burden of bygone grievances becomes paramount. The believer's stance nudges us to embrace forgiveness, a pathway to unshackling emotional weights and discovering serenity within. The believers, despite their divergence from the norm, impart a poignant lesson. The act of pardoning those who've wounded us is a beacon of emancipation. By relinquishing the chains of resentment, we liberate not just others but ourselves from the confines of anger and pain. Within this counsel, believers convey a profound truth. As time slips through our fingers, the grace of forgiveness illuminates a road to inner peace. It's a testimony that, even in the face of finality, the journey toward reconciliation and healing is a tribute to the resilience of the human spirit, and a testament that the heart's capacity for compassion extends beyond the horizon of belief. In times of uncertainty, the remarkable potential of communities to rally together becomes evident. As the fabric of predictability frays, people find a renewed appreciation for connection. Extending a helping hand to neighbors, friends, and even strangers not only fosters a sense of unity but also rekindles our shared humanity. These seemingly small acts of kindness, like offering groceries to an elderly neighbor or volunteering to deliver essential supplies, possess an incredible power to set off cascades of positivity that reverberate through society. The beauty of these gestures lies in their simplicity and universality. Regardless of background or circumstance, everyone understands the profound impact of a genuine smile or a supportive gesture. These acts become beacons of hope, illuminating the darkness of uncertainty. They remind us that, despite the challenges that surround us, we have the ability to make a difference, not just in the lives of individuals, but in the collective spirit of the world. In a world that can sometimes feel fragmented and divided, these small yet significant acts of kindness have the potential to mend the fractures. They serve as reminders that, as humans, our shared experiences far outweigh our differences. So, when uncertainty looms large, remember that your actions, however modest, can be the spark that ignites a wave of positivity, bringing communities closer and reaffirming the strength of the human bond. Reflect on your life's purpose. What legacy do you wish to leave behind? Use the time you have left to align your actions with your deepest values, contributing to the betterment of humanity. As we contemplate the concept of the end of the world, it's natural for fear and trepidation to arise. Yet, within this unsettling notion lies the potential for profound transformation. Embracing the present moment allows us to uncover the hidden beauty in life, while forging deep and meaningful connections brings us solace amidst uncertainty. Let's remember, the end serves as a poignant reminder that life, though transient, is an invaluable gift. For those who share this belief, I encourage you to join us on this journey of making every moment matter. If you found this message resonant, remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. By subscribing, you become part of a community seeking to make the most of the time we have left. Together, we can inspire each other to create a legacy of positivity and purpose.